Robots are incredibly powerful machines, capable of moving truly impressive payloads. But sometimes, processes require a gentler touch. So how do you use robots in these applications? The answer is ForceTorque sensing. ForceTorque sensors provide robots with a sense of touch. They do this by measuring forces on 6 axes: force XYZ and torque XYZ. This allows the robot to gain a full snapshot of the forces it is applying to an object. In other words, it allows a robot to feel what it is doing. This sense of touch greatly expands the number of processes that can be automated. Typically, a force sensor is mounted to a robot's wrist, but they can also be located off the robot if an application requires it. There are 4 main sensing methods, but the most commonly employed are foil gauges and silicon strain gauges. ATI Force sensors use silicon gauges because they provide certain benefits over foil ones. First, silicon gauges provide high noise immunity, resulting in a signal output that is 75 times stronger compared to foil gauges. This is what gives ATI sensors their market-leading resolution. Second, their sensitivity allows the use of high-strength materials, enabling the design of stronger sensing structures, such as sensing beams. This results in a stiff, rugged transducer that resists deformation and improves the accuracy of force measurements. Again, ATI sensors lead the market. The combination of gauge sensitivity and high-strength construction gives ATI sensors high overload protection. This makes our sensors durable and suitable for use in applications where high moment loads are experienced. Finally, ATI owns the vertical integration of the gauges. Not only do we manufacture the gauges ourselves, but we also handle instrumenting our sensors with them. This gives us the ability to scale production to customer demand. Should a customer require it, we can manufacture thousands of sensors with low lead times. With market-leading resolution, high stiffness, impressive overload protection, and a portfolio of diverse products, ATI's force sensing technology is ready to bring a new level of precision, accuracy, and capability to robotics. Expand what you can automate. Choose ATI Force Sensing.